I'm sure you've heard the news, but nothing compares to the legend of Balerion the Black Dread. Did you know Balerion helped Aegon the Conqueror forge the Iron Throne? His breath melted the walls of Harrenhal, turning it into a smoldering ruin. This beast lived for around 200 years, witnessing generations of Targaryens rise and fall. Imagine a dragon so immense, so powerful that his skull was displayed in the Red Keep as a symbol of fear and awe. King Viserys was the last Targaryen to ever bond with Balerion. After Balerion's death, Viserys never rode another dragon again. That's the legacy of the Black Dread, a dragon unmatched in strength and legend. Want to dive deeper into the world of Westeros and its mighty dragons? Hit subscribe and join us on this epic journey.